After you have successfully installed or updated your Windows, you need to check if your drivers are properly installed. In this video, I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to quickly update your drivers in minutes. I will also show you one of the important drivers that you need to update, even though it does not show any sign of error. And if not updated, this may cause serious glitches when running certain applications. So to begin, let's check the drivers and see which ones needs to be updated. To do that, right click on Start, then click on Device Manager. From there, this window will show up and you will see that two of the drivers needs to be updated. So to easily update or install drivers, you can come to this website. I'll leave the link in the description below. But before we download, I would like us to check if the application is free from virus or any form of malicious threat. To do that, right click on Free Download and click Copy Link Address. Then after, come to this website called Virus Total. I'll leave the link in the description below. So here, click on the URL tab and paste the link here. After that, click on the search button and you can see the application is virus free. So from here, I'll come back and click on Free Download and wait patiently for the download process to complete. After that, install the software. And click on Scan Now. This action will set through all your drivers and display those ones that require installation. So after the scanning process is completed, you can see the two drivers that were missing. To fix that, I'll simply click on Update. Then this pop-up message will show that you may need to disable your security software temporarily if it blocks the driver installation. I didn't have any problem with that, but in case you experience this problem, then you can just disable it for a couple of minutes and after installation you enable it back again. So here I'll click on OK and wait for the process to complete. After that, I'll do the same for the second missing driver and wait patiently for the installation to complete. After that, you can see that both drivers are properly installed. So let's check. So now you can see that the missing driver signs have totally disappeared, which means that all the drivers have been installed. But let me show you this secret that most people overlook or probably do not know about. Now let's check the display adapter. It shows Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, right? Let me tell you that this is an incorrect driver and it is not showing any signs of incompatibility. Please take note that whenever you see Microsoft Basic Display Adapter as your Intel display graphics chip, then it is essential you update it. Failure to do so can cause some form of glitches when running certain applications such as video gaming, video editing, poor video quality when watching videos, and so on and forth. Additionally, you may also find it impossible to adjust the brightness of your laptop screen. So I highly recommend that you update your display driver at all times after Windows installation. So before I continue, I encourage you to please smash on the like button to show me some love and to motivate me to bring you more valuable content. So to update it, I'll run the driver booster again and click on Scan. Then here you should find display adapters and click on Update. This will download the appropriate drivers for your graphics card. And after installation, the graphics driver's name should change from Microsoft Basic Display Adapter to that of the name and model of the manufacturers such as Intel, AMD, ATI, or Nvidia. You can also use Driver Booster to solve other Windows problems. When I come to the dashboard and select the boost option, You can see it has other important features you can use for free. For instance, I normally use this system optimizer to automatically eliminate junk files, which helps to boost system performance. You can also check the tools option and you find more. I don't want this video to be lengthy, so I'll make a separate video on that and how to use it to your advantage. So that is all for today. If you found value from this tutorial, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.